Hello, welcome to Microsoft Azure Cloud Channel. In this module, we will talk about Azure Backup, and I will show you how to create a backup for a virtual machine using Azure Portal. What is the Azure Backup service? Azure Backup is an Azure-based service you can use to backup and restore your data in the Microsoft Cloud. The backup options: backup for Azure virtual machines and on-premises servers, backup for SQL Server on Azure virtual machines. The Azure Backup Service provides simple, secure, and cost-effective solutions to back up your data and recover it from the Microsoft Azure Cloud. What can I back up? On-premises, Azure virtual machines, Azure file shares, SQL Server in Azure virtual machines, and SAP HANA databases in Azure virtual machines. Let's talk about on-premises. You can back up files, folders, system state using the Microsoft Azure Recovery Services agent, or use the DPM or Azure Backup Server agent to protect on-premises virtual machines and other on-premises workloads. Azure virtual machines. We can back up entire Windows, Linux virtual machines or backup files, folders, and system state using the Mars agent. Azure file shares. We can back up Azure file shares to a storage account. SQL Server in Azure virtual machines. We can back up SQL Server databases running on Azure virtual machines. And SAP HANA databases in Azure virtual machines. Backup SAP HANA databases running on Azure virtual machines. Why use Azure Backup? Azure Backup delivers a lot of key benefits. They are offload on-premises backup. That Azure Backup offers a simple solution for backing up your on-premises resources to the cloud. Next one, backup Azure IaaS virtual machines. Azure Backup provides independent and isolated backups to guard against accidental destruction of original data. Backups are stored in a recovery services vault with built-in management of recovery points. Scale easily. Get unlimited data transfer. Azure Backup doesn't limit the amount of inbound or outbound data you transfer or charge for the data that is transferred. Keep data secure. Azure Backup provides solutions for securing data in transit and at rest. Centralized monitoring and management. Get app consistent backups. Retain short and long-term data. You can use recovery service vaults for short-term and long-term data retention. I will show you how to set up the dates when we are in the Azure portal. Next one, automatic storage management. Hybrid environments often require heterogeneous storage, some on-premises and some in the cloud. With Azure Backup, there is no cost for using on-premises storage devices. Azure Backup automatically allocates and manages backup storage, and it uses a pay-as-you-go model. So you only pay for the storage you consume. Multiple storage options. Azure Backup offers two types of replication to keep your storage data highly available. One is locally redundant storage, and other one is geo-redundant storage. Locally redundant storage replicates your data 3 times in a storage scale unit in a data center. All copies of data exist within the same region. Locally redundant storage is the low-cost option for protecting your data from local hardware failures. Geo-redundant storage. Geo-redundant storage is the default and recommended replication option. GRS replicates your data to a secondary region GRS costs more than LRS, but GRS provides a higher level of durability for your data, even if there is a regional outage. I will log into Azure portal. I will show you how to back up a virtual machine using Azure portal. I'm in the Azure portal now. I'll go to home. I will create a virtual machine very quick, and I will show you how to back up a virtual machine. Just click on virtual machine. I'm creating a new virtual machine. Let's create a virtual machine resource group and test. Let's say I'll just say virtual machine 1 and region East US. Let's keep it same. Availability options, no infrastructure redundancy required. Image Ubuntu and size. Let's just pick a low RAM size because it is just a demo purpose. I'll just use password authentication type. Okay, allowed selected ports SSH. Let's go to disk. I'll just pick standard HDD networking. Let's just keep it and boot diagnostics off. Advanced, skip it, and then let's just create this virtual machine. And I will show you how to back up this virtual machine. Now deployment is in progress. Now virtual machine is created. Let's go to resource. And we are in the virtual machine overview page. Let's go to operations on the left side and click on backup. Now we want to back up this virtual machine. If you already have existed recovery service world, you can use it or you can create new one. So I want to explain difference between Azure backup and Azure site recovery. The Azure backup and Azure site recovery services both provide system recovery, but they have their differences. Azure site recovery replicates virtual machine workloads to secondary locations for failover if a disaster affects the whole site. Azure backup recovers data more granularly. For example, Azure backup covers virtual machine disks or files and folders that became corrupted or were accidentally deleted by users. So we will create a new recovery service world and resource group. Let's keep it same resource group, virtual machine -resource group, and choose backup policy, a new policy daily. Or if you want to create a new policy, you can click on it. And then let's just say backup policy 1. And then frequency, daily, 6 p.m. And time zone, you can pick it. Coordinated universal time, or you can pick Eastern time. You can pick any time, or mountain time, central time. So I will just pick this universal time. And retain instant recovery snapshots for 2 days. You can change it if you want. You can keep it 5, 7. And retention of daily backup point, I'll just say 15 days. And let's create this backup policy. Now our backup runs at 6 p.m. universal time daily and retain instant recovery snapshots for 2 days. Retain backup taken every day at 6 p.m. for 15 days. Okay, let's enable this backup. Now submitting deployment in progress. So our backup policy is created. Let's go to overview page and let's check the backup operation. And here, if you want to take the backup, you can just click on backup. Or when you want to stop the backup, you can put retain backup till 6/27/2020. So you can click on this and then triggering backup for virtual machine. If you want to stop the backup, you can just click on this and then just click on reason, select reason. Just say others, delete backup. Now we are stopping backup. So this is how you backup virtual machine using Azure Backup Service. If you have any questions on Azure Backup Service, please post it in the comment section. If you like this video, please subscribe and share the channel. Thank you.